Okay, systems check. Sprocket, you got the 1080p feed?
Lens is clear. Sensors humming. I'm ready to count some sand grains. I'm already bored. Can we just get this over with?
Quiet! Gloom! Herbie's ready! Roll test 1!
Adding some calm music to this chaos so the neighbors think we're actually professionals.
The top is running at 10% speed, 240 FPS in 1080p versus the bottom specs are 20% speed, 120 FPS in 2.7K. Which one wins? Comment below. Looks like Gloom turned off the sun for the bottom videos. He's definitely biased.
Processing. If the sun is gone, just overclock the headlights. Problem solved.
Buckle up and get ready. Top videos at normal speed first, then the bottom two. Go! Cut. Wow, that full speed pass was incredible.
I'm Team Riverband. My eyes are too tired to go hunting for lost body clips.
Look at that, all stock electronics under the hood, but Herbie still shreds.
Technical advantage. The increased height of these rally wheels provides superior obstacle navigation. These are made for an armor granite, but they're perfect here. The height matches the front rally wheels for a level chassis. 8 millimeters to 12 millimeters wheel hex-up adapters. This allows the chassis to support the larger wheels.
Baja style plus Herbie soul. Let's get this thing to the dirt and see these results.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T, yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she, yeah. I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me. You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Baby, don't you like it? You know your body T. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she? Just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me. What you said to me doesn't even make sense, yeah. I'm telling you, you have to feel the music if you wanna dance. I just wanna take you out and go to Essence, yeah, yeah. The way I feel your body, oh my, got me in a trance. The way you keep on looking at me, do you need a lens? I don't wanna feel like I'm the only one who cares. Baby, do you care? Baby, do you care? You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T, yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she, yeah. I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me. Got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Me, don't you like it? You know your body T. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she? Just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me.
He looks amazing, right? I've put links to all the parts we used in the description below. I really want to know what you think of the new 2.7K look versus the slower 1080. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.